I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by plugging the Xiaomi Google TV into power and selecting your language. This reduces later confusion. Once done, insert batteries into the remote and pair it by holding the pairing button. This establishes the Bluetooth link. Make sure your Wi-Fi password is ready so you can connect immediately. A stable connection avoids update delays. Why this first? Because pairing and network access unlock account sign-in and system updates that the next steps depend on. Now you sign into your Google account to sync apps, preferences, and access the Play Store. This is how you install streaming apps and use Chromecast. Once signed in, open the Play Store to install or update Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and regional apps. Updates ensure better performance and security. Next, go to Settings to calibrate display resolution and HDR. Set audio output to your soundbar or TV, and enable HDMI CEC, so device finish by testing playback. Stream a video and cast from your phone to confirm casting, resolution, and audio sync. Make sure automatic system and app updates are enabled so you get fixes without manual steps. Also backup settings to your Google account for easy recovery. If something goes wrong, restart the Xiaomi Google TV first, then check Wi-Fi and HDMI cables. If problems persist, a factory reset resolves stubborn software issues, but remember it erases local settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.